Hi guys, it's me, Henry. So you might be wondering why you're looking at the ATM again. It's nothing to do with the ATM, but we got a new box build. It is the unlimited box paper airplane. I wrote poop on there. Yeah, because that's what kids do. Yeah, here's the airplane. Has some windows, compartment there, and it has some little these. Got my fake mini phone, homemade, and then got these little director things. I got two, and then I can get that back in. There we go. So yeah, I got a furniture not all filled up yet. But here's the front. It rolls because it's on a skateboard. Taped on a skateboard. And yeah, so there's wings. See those little, let's make the wings. Look, there's one like that. So here's a steering wheel. I could have done better. I just wasn't that focused right at that day. But then you can see a land button, a takeoff button, some things, temperature buttons, speed. Oh, look at this. This thing's cool. Hello, this is Henry. We will be taking off soon. There we go. Then it's a compass. Then take the skateboard and I cut this thing so like my little rhythm just getting it actually helps me a bunch. So yeah, got buttons and stuff. Pretty nice. I really like it. I made other paper airplanes, but not one with wheels that could actually move and stuff. And so I think in like that. So I think this is the best one that I've ever made. And I did make one with faces. I did make it with faces. But then I'd just be like, it would be cooler if you there's actually open. So I'm gonna do it now. There we go. Not the best at airplane flying because I just started today. So I'm gonna try to do my best. So this is Captain Henry. We will be taking off very soon on my count of 3. 1, 2, 3, I guess. And press the takeoff button and go. And land. You have now landed. Thank you for riding the Henry Airplane 2000. Thank you. Then yeah, I wasn't using steering wheel just for looks. I'm gonna. So yeah, got some pockets. It's like I have to already do some repairing. So yeah, this is my airplane. My sister likes it. My brother hasn't actually ridden in it yet. He's playing video games. Yeah, bye.
Like and subscribe and comment below.
Like and subscribe and comment down below.